egg rolls. I've never made them before, so this will be interesting. But I bought some of these wraps, and I already had cabbage and no, I bought cabbage. What am I had the green cabbage, but I bought the purple cabbage and some carrots. Oh, and so we're gonna see what happens. How am I supposed to cut cabbage to be like small? Alright, I'm not gonna cut up this part because that's a lot of cabbage. Ah! Oh my god! I almost chopped my thumb. I cut up way too much cabbage. Trying to do 2 carrots at once and it's not working out. So much work. It's better be the best freaking egg rolls in the world. Okay, how many teaspoons are in a tablespoon? 3, right? Okay, we're just gonna guesstimate again. Alright. Well, it says 1 teaspoon of onion powder and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. But we don't have onion powder, so I feel like that wasn't enough. I'm going rogue. Like a half a tablespoon isn't much more than a teaspoon. What is my life? I think that's all I needed to. Wait, so I don't have noodles, so we're skipping the noodles. Okay, so blah blah blah, pepper, soy sauce, and sesame oil. I don't have sesame oil either. So we're just gonna use olive oil. Olive oil. Oh my god, this looks good already. I would eat this as like a salad. Look at that. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. Can't be asking me how many it makes. I feel like it's just gonna make a lot. Oh my god. So, in my videos, every time I sniff something, I go, oh my god. Like I say, oh my god. It's super creepy. I just did it when I was sniffing this stuff. I don't know why, it just happened, but stuff smells really good. Alright, so I'm gonna clean up this mess because I made a huge mess already. And then get to frying. Alright, so I put about a ½ inch of oil in this pan, just vegetable oil. I got my wraps. Yeah. Okay. I guess I should just like have some water sitting here because it says to like wet the edges. Maybe after I fold it. I don't. Oh my god. Well, this first one is gonna be super ugly. God, do you remember first learning how to wrap like surgical packs? Oh. Well, that one might be a hot mess. Dude, legit, after this whole quarantine thing, I'm gonna be a chef. You hear me, Pittsburgh? I'm coming for ya. We should get a food truck. Let's just do it. Let's go all in. Whatever I feel like making that day. We're just gonna see what happens. I can't guarantee anything. You might leave full, you might leave bad. We'll see. Okay, I got all my little rolls. I accidentally ripped that one, so whatevs. But they're about to go in, I think. Alright, I think the oil's ready. Sounds like it, right? We have liftoff! It says 2.5 to 3 minutes on each side until crispy and golden brown. I didn't set a timer. Just gonna guesstimate. Oh my god, it looks. Oh, okay, maybe I'm gonna turn the page. Ah! They're sticking together! No! No! Some of the filling came out. They gonna be crispy. Alright, let me turn this heat down just a smidgen. Just a smidgen of a pigeon. Well, some of the innards escaped and got a little sizzled, but it's okay. Okay, I have one of my little wax papers. Going to. Okay, so these are my finished little egg rolls. Which one? I'll try this one first. I mean, they're not pretty, but
Good?
Dude, they're so freaking good. Oh my god.
Do you have like soy sauce?
No, but there's
Some in it.
I put a lot of that brag stuff.
I don't need it then. Okay. Oh my god.
They're
Big
super
bags.
salty. I like salty stuff though.
I'm gonna get a tiny little plate. Take it out of here.
Oh, that one's hot.
Yeah, these look really good. Where'd you find these little wrap thingies? Was it Walmart?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
In the where they have like all the cut up fruit and stuff in the packaging to sell.
Oh.
Or they were there and I thought I almost spit out.
What all?
Boop. I saw them and I was like, oh, I should make egg rolls.